Welcome to our channel. If you want to stop automatic subscription renewals on your Android device, follow these step-by-step instructions to disable auto-renew for various apps and services. Step 1. Open the Google Play Store app on your Android device. This is the primary marketplace for apps and subscriptions on Android. Step 2. Tap on your profile icon located in the top right corner of the Play Store screen. This opens your account menu. Step 3. Select Payments and Subscriptions from the menu options. This section manages all your Play Store purchases and recurring subscriptions. Step 4. Tap on Subscriptions to view a list of all active subscriptions linked to your Google account. This includes apps, games, and services. Step 5. Browse through the list and select the subscription you want to cancel auto-renewal for. Tap on the subscription to view its details. Step 6. On the Subscription Details page, look for the Cancel Subscription button. Tap on it to begin the cancellation process. Step 7. Google Play will ask you to confirm your decision. Review the information about when your subscription will end and tap Cancel Subscription again to confirm. Step 8. For subscriptions purchased outside Google Play, such as through the app itself, open the specific app and navigate to its Settings or Account section. Step 9. Look for Subscriptions, Billing, or Membership sections within the app. Find the option to manage or cancel your subscription. Step 10. Follow the app's specific cancellation process. Each app may have different steps, so look for Cancel, Turn off auto-renew, or Manage subscription options. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.